Hey guys, well, on today's agenda I'm working on building the front shackle hanger. I'm doing shackles up front on this because I want to keep it as low as possible. I'm also running flat springs, the ones that are going to be in the rear of the truck. Moving them up front, running Tacoma rear leaf springs in the rear because they're a lot longer. And that's just what I have, so we'll see how it does when I'm out wheeling, but it should be all right. I'd want to do shackles up front because like it's just set up better. I don't have to have a really long front spring hanger, so that's pretty much why I'm deciding to do it this way. I want the truck as low as possible with the biggest tires possible. I do want to run 37s. I'm determined to run 37s. We'll see what it takes, but working on that front shackle hanger, so I'll show you guys what I got so far. So basically I'm going to be rebuilding the shackle brackets, I guess, themselves. This is quarter wall, 2-inch square quarter wall. Beats the heck out of what I was using before, which was 2-inch 3/16 wall. And those little rings that I made to hold the bushings, they're just not big enough. So I found a 30 mil socket, which is roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. I use that to get the shape there. I'm going to be machining 4 new bushing pieces. I'm not sure what the correct term is. Bushing sleeves. And I'm going to be welding them onto this. So everything's going to be super thick, super beef, and tough, because I want it to be tough. Overbuilt is underappreciated. So anyways, I made all my marks. It's kind of hard to see because it's black Sharpie. I'm not sure where the heck my soapstone went, but anyways, this will work. I'm going to do all the cuts with an angle grinder except for that. I'm going to be very careful and plasma cut it out, and then use that the carbide burr tool to make it nice and smooth. I freaking hate that thing. It chucks little tiny slivers and needles, and they get everywhere. So when I'm doing that, I might actually put my coveralls on, because yeah, those are hell trying to get out of your skin and socks and stuff. It's not a good time. But I got plenty of this, so I'm gonna build the I guess I gotta build 4 of those. Just when I thought I had it all figured out. No, I'm gonna build 4 of those. So that'll be, I don't know, probably somewhere around there. And then the rest of this, well, not the rest of it, but I'm gonna be putting it on the front as a front hanger / cross member. So I've measured from there to there, outside of the spring purchase. I think it was 32, 33, somewhere around there. So that I got plenty of material. And then I'll be taking 2 of these, rotating them like that, and then tacking them on until I've got the chassis ready to go. And then if it all looks right, then I'll burn them in. But if not, then they're only tacked, so I'll be able to do a quick little zip cut and break them off. Well guys, that's all that's left. I got all 4 of those parts cut out. I got the shackle hanger done. So this will get welded either underneath of the front cross member, or it'll replace it, like my buddy Clinton's did on Dirt Garage. Check him out. Really, really good channel. Like pro cinematography going on. But yeah, so This is going to the front. 2 of these guys will get welded to this. This is the downside. I wanted it angled just for looks. And 2 of these guys will go something like that. Something like that, I'm thinking. And then I'll do a gusset across the front there. But holy cow, that's a lot of grinding. See all that metal right there. Cripes. But yeah, now I get the fun part of playing with that stupid carbide tool, making these fit perfect. Yeah, you guys, you fabricators will know all about this. These things suck. They're great. They're absolutely amazing tools. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and they fit lots of places. They remove material really well, but yeah, it makes slivers. And they get in your socks and everywhere. But yeah, I don't really see another way to do this. Really not looking forward to that. Well, I got one of these guys cleaned up, the center section of it. All I did was I tack welded the one side of it to this pipe so I could hold it down with the machine. And I found my handy dandy brake bendy tool. And guess what? It's 1.5 inches. That's freaking perfect. So I got it. It looks like it's sitting level. That looks square to me, that pocket there. And then what I do is I can take it like that, line it up in the hole, and yeah, that looks pretty good. So that'll do. 1 done, 3 to go. Like I said, I hate that tool, but it works. That's why I'm like in full armor mode. I'm wearing gloves, everything. The only thing that's exposed is my cheek. And I feel it a little bit, but I'll probably grab the shop vac and give it a good once over. It's the only way to get them off. Don't judge me. Well, guys, I got it done. A lot of work, a lot of man glitter everywhere. Gonna be using the shop vac on that. Do not blow it around. You will regret it, 100%. Yeah, I got everything all ground down. These look pretty good. Got them tack welded to the front cross member slash hanger slash piece of steel. I'm running out of steam big time. But yeah, they're just tack welded for now because yeah, moved them all the way to the front and tacked them on. I made sure they were in line exactly, so that's a good thing. That I just tacked it because once I get it in place, I need to see where the center of the spring lines up in relation to the factory shock tower slash wheel well. But I bet you the nose length is different. I have company. But yeah, I got a bit of cleanup to do, and then I'm gonna go home and have some beer. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.